In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to see your call log history in your Facebook Messenger if you're using either an iPhone or Android. I'm going to show you exactly how you can see it for both of those devices. So if you're firstly using Android, then you can actually see it on the Facebook Messenger app itself. So if you have an Android phone, just go into your Facebook Messenger and then down middle, you should be able to get an option where it says calls. So just click on it. But as you can see, I have an iPhone, so I don't have the calls option in here. I only have chats, people, and stories. But if you have an Android, you will be able to see calls. Then you can just click on it, and in there you will be able to see all of your call log history. But if you're using an iPhone, as me, for example, well, then you're just going to close the Facebook Messenger app, and instead you're going to open up your phone app. So click on your phone app in here, as you can see, and then you're going to select where it says recents. And in here, you will be able to see all of your Facebook Messenger call log history. It's going to say Facebook Messenger. You're going to see other call log on your mobile as well. But in here, you will be able to also see Facebook Messenger, just so you know. So this is exactly how to do this.